Hey everyone, in this video I'm gonna guide you through how to change Honkai Star Rail account's password. So if you want to do that, simply follow the steps. First, make sure that you're inside the game. As you can see it on the display over here, I'm already logged into my account, and once you are here, tap on the mobile icon at the top left hand corner. Now this will open up your other options or your player's details. Now from the options, select account settings. Tap on the go button right next to user center. Then on the next page, you'll be able to see several options. Tap on the change password button in order to change your password for your account. To change your password, you'll need to go through a security verification. You'll need to verify your account via the following methods listed in the pop-up. First, go ahead and verify your email address. Tap on the send button and wait for the verification code to be sent to you via your email inbox. But before that, first go ahead and complete this verification. After you are done, wait for the verification code to arrive on your inbox. Open up the same email's inbox that you've linked with the account and type in the verification code as soon as you receive it. After you are done entering it, tap next. Now you'll get to enter the new password or set a new password for your account. Go ahead and enter the new password you'd want to change to. Now on the next field, confirm the new password by typing it again. After entering both of the fields, tap on confirm and you have successfully changed your password for Honkai Star Rail. Now you'll be redirected to the main login page for Star Rail. Since you've changed your password, go ahead and log in again by following the instruction and you should be able to sign in back again. And that is how you should be able to change your Honkai Star Rail account's password in a few simple steps. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back soon with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.